Hello traders, I have a duck at my window because the seagulls won't leave me alone. But price action, that's a different story. Here it is, look at that, flashed up at 5261 on SPX, SPY, ES1. This is the S&P 500 and the potential move up to 5261. It's currently at an important area, which you can see on the 30 minutes time frame is also where you find Rocky Outcrop Flash. Price action making it back to the Flash. Get that indicator at patreon.com/Rocky Outcrop. Golden Pocket closed at 5149. That is an important target to aim for. You break that, you'll be on for the topside move that we spoke about here on the higher time frames. There's on the daily where you see you've had two positive candles in a row subsequent to this drop. You have made it back above an important level on your Fibonacci's and some tough closes that were previously resistance. Having made it through that is significant. If this potential move continues, then what can we expect to happen? Down to the hourly time frame, another Rocky Outcrop Flash, even higher. You're looking to break the 50% retracement at 5124, then head to 5149. That's what you're looking for topside. If it breaks down below 5030, I'd be very, very cautious. We'll go to Bitcoin now. We could look at the E-minis futures where there's a potential retracement on the hourly into around the previous low and breakout move to the top side. That would be fair value gap. Downward sloping resistance here broken, similar to SPY, and the retracement back towards the all-time highs. So is Bitcoin going to move to the top side? In 4 hour you can see there's also a flash target, 68235. That's the top side of the golden pocket. Hold the Fibonacci 50% retracement at 66142. Then you're heading to that Rocky Outcrop Flash at 68235. Super interesting there. That's the futures chart for Bitcoin on the mini contracts. And another interesting chart, especially if you've been paying attention to the Rocky Outcrop Discord, FTSE 100 top stocks in Britain. Interesting that these stocks would be making highs, and I'm sure if you're trading anything in the world, you'll be interested about this fact. All-time highs on the FTSE when you see other markets pulling back. So breakout move here, that would be already happening. You broke through the resistance yesterday, put in a new all-time high, and then here, still consolidating at resistance. If it breaks up, huge potential moves coming again. Let's just look at the extension from this previous high and note though, a little bit of danger. We've already gone through the 1.13 and held that sort of area. If it slips below 8,000 on FTSE, I'd be a little bit cautious because you're back inside the previous formation. There's gap to fill at 7942, and if it does break down, well, it could be an awful long road to the bottom. Whereas this topside target here, 1618, we're all heading that direction at the minute. So interesting moves across the market, lots of things coming. The most interesting thing today may well have been the open we got on natural gas. Where is it? Hard to see when we're on these time frames. Where is the open on natural gas? It was way up there. Here we go. Natural gas, E-minis futures. Look at that. Opening with a huge gap. Also coming back and testing these important breakdown levels. Out of that formation now, but I'd be cautious of this potential pullback. Golden pocket retracement there, so a 236 breaking 2 might take it all the way down to 1.8. Moving to the top side then, if you are to clear this level of resistance, you could be back targeting up at around 3175 or 3.360. That's interesting on natural gas because we'll put it in context on the weekly time frame. As you can see, long relentless downtrends here. These are the places where it's best buying it. If you do get a big break move to the top side, that would be the area to take some profit at, and you can see why breaking back above 3.8 and then 5.2, very big ask. Asking any more of price action at this stage would be tough. You can turn on the indicators there and see the potential for the bullish divergence now that this thing's made a little bit of retracement. So it has to cover 2.36, then possibly target 3.50, 389, maybe even high as 5. If not, and it breaks out of this formation, then I guess people don't need gas anymore. What a brilliant, and the best thing that you can do for your trading this week, absolutely by a million miles, and this is the best tip you'll get this week, is look to cryptocurrency Whoop, we don't need that, though that is interesting. Look to cryptocurrency, look at this potential move here, this potential trend line, if it holds it on any retrace at 60,000, next target topside 104. Well, it's 83 really, but if you break 83, big things are happening. What's happening? Well, you should watch Rocky Outcrop show. It's coming up tomorrow, and he's been preparing for it all week, like he does every week, to get you the best possible show. You've got his targets below, so you know how to stay safe. You'll have his targets to the top side coming shortly. So check out Rocky Outcrop show tomorrow, and for those who do, there'll be a special treat in the chat box with your favourite stocks and little updates on, I think, a huge move coming on a stock you know well that's very cheap and could go at much higher levels. The video for that will be linked at the end of Rocky Show tomorrow, so make sure to check it out. Extra bonuses as usual. Hit the like button on this one if you want to support the stream. You can do so by becoming a channel member. If you want to advance your own journey as a trader and progress faster, you join the Discord. And to make it all that much easier, you should get that Rocky Outcrop Flash on his Patreon. Thanks very much. See you in the next one.